If you want to block someone on Discord, then this video is just for you. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will be showing you how you can easily block anyone on your Discord account. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. First of all, you just need to open the Discord app. And then you have to tap the three lines given at the top left corner of the screen. Now from here you will see the direct messages option where you have to select the friend whom you want to block. So simply tap on their username and again you will see their username at the top. So simply tap that again. Here you will again see their name or username under members section. So you again have to tap that, and here when you will press the three dots that is given on the right side of the username, you will get two options. One is to block and second is to remove friends. So if you want to completely block them from your Discord account, you just have to tap block, and if you just want to remove them as a friend, you can use the second option. So that's how easily you can block anyone on Discord. So the person has been blocked. That was all for this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubts or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be back soon with a new video.